Hi everyone, so I'm using a website called Adobe Spark for my presentation, and I'm going to be telling you why I believe that Innovative Designer is the most important ISTE standard. This is supposed to be a video, but for some reason my computer or this website, I'm not sure which it is being slow, so we're just going to have to do it this way in order for it to work right. So in the Innovative Designer standard, the one that I think is the most important is 4D, which is students exhibit a tolerance for ambiguity, perseverance, and the capacity to work with open-ended problems. I think this is important because it helps students learn that it's okay to make a mistake as long as you don't give up. If you work through it and you find another solution or a different way to solve that problem, then everything will be okay. And that goes along with open-ended problems, which is when students use the 21st century skill of problem solving, which they will need to do if they want to be successful today. So next, I found an article also from the ISTE website about the standard of innovative designer. And I found a quote from it that says, "The world no longer cares how much you know. The world cares about what you can do with what you know." So this is saying, like, it doesn't matter if you're the most intelligent person ever. If you don't know what to do with your intelligence, it's useless. So that goes along with like technology. If you don't know how to use it, what's the point? So when students use their problem solving skills, they'll learn to create new things or discover different things they might not have heard of or knew about before. Also from the same article is another quote of one of the standards, innovative designer challenges us to take some risks and in doing so open up the imaginative and creative energy in our students, which is the oxygen for our profession, which I believe is very true. If as a teacher you do things that are boring and not challenging for the students, like I said, they're going to get bored. They're not going to pay attention. So if you use that technology, it's something that most children are interested in, so it will keep them engaged and they will most likely enjoy the activity that they are doing. And as a teacher, you want your students to gain something from your lesson, so doing something that interests them will help that experience. Also another quote, in allowing students to take on various roles, we encourage them to explore new skills and characteristics that may awaken interests and strengths they didn't know they had. So it allows them to experiment and explore and discover, like this quote says, new interests or maybe even talents that they didn't know they had. So if they are problem solving or they are trying new things, it could lead them to something they really enjoy. And then here are my references for the images and the references for my information.